In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can start and stop your MySQL service on your server. So what you want to do is launch the services program by searching for services. Let's maximize this window. Then you're going to type M. It will take you to the M section of the services. And then you're going to look for MySQL. So 80 is for version 80. So the last digit will be dependent on the version of MySQL that you're running. So if it's version 7, you'll be seeing 70. If it's 9 at the time of watching this video, you'll be seeing 90. So we are currently at version 8. So I'm going to right click and select start. If you want the service to automatically start up, you can right click, select properties, and then you change the startup type to automatic. So I'm going to select OK. And to stop the service, you can just right click, select stop, or select the stop icon at the top. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.